Oh my god, it's like the bangs. Hello, it's been so long. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome me back to my own channel because it's been so long. Some of you have been following me on other platforms and know that I'm mostly working on TikTok right now, but I am so happy to be back and doing a video for you here. As you can see from my overgrown roots, we're back with another hair dyeing video. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on because it's pretty bad. I'm here to announce that I'm finished with my blonde era. I'm done. I think I'm done. She's gone and she's done. It's time for us to go back to our raven-haired dark self. So I'm going to be dyeing my hair dark blue today. I had a really good time using Manic Panic last time, so I bought Manic Panic again, and the one that I bought today is called After Midnight and Purple Haze. I think I'm mostly going to be using After Midnight and then with a little bit of Purple Haze because I do like that ultraviolet look. I did really like the Manic Panic Cotton Candy, so if you do want to watch that video, you can click on the little icon over here and it will lead you to that video. So once again, I bought these from Shoppers, I think for like $17. You can get them cheaper at Walmart, but I didn't have the time to drive there, so Shoppers it was. And of course, once again, my sister will be a special guest to this video. She's not going to show her face because she's shy, so please leave nice, encouraging, and supportive comments about her. Also, if you want to keep supporting me, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll also be documenting on TikTok how this fades out, so you can check it out there. Let's change into some clothes we can dye hair in. Alright, let's go! Whoa! We're gonna do 2 bottles of Midnight Blue and 1 bottle of Purple Haze. I think this is too much. We're always guessing. We're just like, is it too much, too little? Do we know anything? No, we don't know anything. Nice.
Right in the face. There you go.
Thank you. Oh my god, it's like the bangs. I have the Justin Bieber bangs.
I didn't know you were gonna film.
What? That was the point.
I know, but you didn't. That wasn't
the point.
That wasn't what you said. Like you literally didn't say that. Yeah. I come down like what? Oh no.
Why is there cameras and lights everywhere?
Yeah.
Okay, when do you get these bangs out of the way? That's kind of bothering me.
You literally.
Still here, look. This is how I've been living. This is how I have to live my life now. It's gonna be like this forever.
Don't be so dramatic. Literally like 15 minutes.
It's been a lifetime.
Yeah, I think I need to section it out one more time.
Okay.
So the bangs are coming down. Villain origin story.
Stew for about 45 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out and show you the results. So this is how it turned out. Now I match my chair. I'm definitely looking like I'm going into my villain era, but that's fine. I'm happy with that. I mean, you saw those bangs. That was definitely a villain origin story. I think it turned out a little bit more blue than I expected because I put 2 bottles of Midnight Blue and 1 bottle of Purple Haze. I thought the Purple Haze would do something, but it really doesn't look like it did anything. So let me know in the comments what you think about the hair dye. Special shout out to my sister Tasia for dyeing my hair again. Thank you so much. She always takes a lot of thorough care into doing it, so it ends up looking really nice. If you do want to see how it looks when it fades out, please make sure to follow my TikTok. I'll be documenting how it fades out on there. And if you do like my content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. That would help me out loads. Don't know why I said loads. That would help me out lots. And like always, thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate all of you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!